Let's explore the CSS Box model with clear practical examples. First, we will set up the HTML structure for our demonstration. Create the basic HTML document structure. Add a main heading for our box model tutorial. Create the first box showing only a content area. Add the second box demonstrating padding. Create the third box showing border effects. Add the fourth box to demonstrate margin spacing. Include a reference element to show margin effects. Now add a section for the complete box model visualization. Create examples to demonstrate box sizing differences. Add a practical card component example. Now let's create the CSS file with our box model styles. First, set up the foundational CSS reset and body styles. Set the background to dark gray and text to white for contrast. Use a clean sans serif font for better readability. Style the main container to center our content. Add styles for the main heading and subtitle. Create the main demonstration area for box model examples. Style the base box that all our examples will share. Set fixed dimensions for consistent demonstration. Use our primary accent color for the background. Style the first box showing only the content area. Add an orange shadow to show content boundaries. Style the second box demonstrating padding effects. Add 20 pixels of padding on all sides. Use multiple shadows to visualize padding area. Style the paragraph inside to show content area clearly. Style the third box showing border properties. Add a thick orange border around the element. Style a fourth box to demonstrate margin spacing. Add margin to create space around the element. Add a label to show the margin area visually. Style the reference element to show margin effects. Create the complete box model visualization element. Set dimensions for the visualization box. Center the box with automatic margins. Add padding for the content area. Apply a thick border around the element. Style the content label inside the visualization. Create base styles for all box model labels. Position each label in its respective box model area. Style the box sizing comparison section. Style each box sizing example container. Style the content box sizing example. Use the default content box model. Style the border box sizing example. Use the border box model for predictable sizing. Style the practical card component example. Set effects width for the card component. Center the card with automatic margins. Add internal padding for content spacing. Apply a subtle border for definition. Add a shadow for depth and dimension. Style the image inside the card component. Ensure images cover the area properly. Add margin below the image for spacing. Style the heading inside the card component. Style the paragraph text inside the card. Style the button inside the card component. Remove underline from the button text. Let's check our project directory structure. Now open the browser to see our box model examples in action. Observe how each box demonstrates a different part of the box model. Hover over the card component to see interactive effects. Compare the two box sizing examples to understand the difference. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.